Hello everyone and welcome! A while back I did a review of a compact battery operated tire inflator. I thought that was a nice tire inflator to carry around in the glove box of your car in case of emergencies. But a lot of you guys complained that it was too small and you wanted something more powerful. Well, alright then. I listened to my viewers and see what you want, so I looked around for a bigger and more powerful tire inflator / air compressor. So today we'll be looking at this portable inflator from AstroAI. It's supposed to be much stronger than the last one I did, and it has a few more interesting features than that last one also. So let's unbox this puppy and see what I got this time. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce another product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you. Let's open this puppy up. Well, it comes in a nice storage container, so let's open this up and see what we have. Alright guys, so this is the portable tire inflator / air compressor from AstroAI, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $56. But they also have a 5% off discount coupon on their Amazon page, so you get it even lower than that. And if I happen to come across any discount coupons, I'll put them in the video description down below so you can save even more money. Check that out before you do anything. So what do you get when you open this puppy up? Well, you get the inflator itself, you get a 20 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion rechargeable battery to power it up, you get a charger, a 1 hour rapid charger for the battery, and this may look like a battery, but this is not a battery. This is actually a 12 volt adapter. So you can use it by plugging it into the 12 volt adapter of your car if you want to. And what it is it has the cable down here, and this pulls out, and we'll look at that in just a little bit later on. So you attach this to the unit, the cable pulls out, and you plug it into your car, so you can use it anytime, anywhere, plugging it right into your car, your 12 volt system. And you get the owner's manual that tells you everything about the unit. I suggest you read through that, and a convenient little carrying bag to keep it all in when you're not using it. Now the dimensions on this unit are fairly compact. You're looking at 7.5 inches by 8 inches by 3 inches in thickness. The weight on this unit is only 1.3 pounds, so it's fairly lightweight. The hose that it has for inflating whatever it is you're going to inflate is quite long. It's 26 inches long, so that allows you to get into just about any position that you need to. And like I said, it is powered also by a 20 volt lithium ion battery, but that's not just a regular battery. That actually works as a power bank as well. As you see, it is a 20 volt lithium ion battery. You plug it into the unit, it powers it up. And back here you have your level meter that tells you exactly how charged up the battery is. But you open up this little flap right here, and you see that you have a connector for your USB. So you can use this as a power unit for any device that works through USB. So it is a battery bank as well. So that's why I said this unit has a few interesting, convenient features to it. Not only is it an tire inflator, you can use it plugged into your car, use it with the battery so you go wire free, you're not connected to anything, and it is also a battery bank. That's pretty convenient and pretty cool, different than a lot of the other guys out there. The cable length on this is 3 meters or 9 feet. So that gives you enough cable to be able to plug it into your car and go pretty much all the way around your car and fill up all the tires if you need to. The maximum capacity on this unit is 160 PSI, and you can run it continuously up to 20 minutes without it having any problems. It has a convenient shape to it where it's shaped kind of like a drill. So it's very convenient in the shape that it has, very easy to use. Nice pistol grip there that you have with a rubber overmold. So even if your hands are sweaty, dirty, greasy, oily, whatever, you shouldn't have any trouble. And there you have right here, the convenient switch right there. Back here you have a LED display that gives you all the information that you need. And it is backlit, so you can use it during the day, at night, whenever you want. And you can select 3 different sets of units on there. You can select kPa, bar, or PSI. And this unit does also have a nice LED here on the front, which, let me power it up for you. It does have a nice LED there where it will light up your work area. So if you're out at night and you have a breakdown or something, this guy can help you to light up whatever it is that you're working on. The LED back here, as you see, it does light up for you, so it's convenient to see under all situations. And it also has an auto shut-off function, so whenever you're using it, you set it to the maximum you want to inflate it to, and it will stop when it reaches that maximum setting. So that's very convenient right there. So this guy is great for airing up anything at home or on the go. You can air up car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, basketball, soccer balls, air mattress, flotation device, pretty much anything that you need to inflate, this guy can help you to do it. So let's check this guy out and see exactly how well it performs. Alright guys, well let's take a little closer look at this unit before we start actually using it. And like I said, you notice that it has a nice convenient design like a drill, so it's very easy to grab it, handle it, and do whatever you need to do. Also, it has a storage place up here where it has all the attachments that come with it stored conveniently up here, so you can use it for inflating any other kind of things, like I said, basketballs, soccer balls, flotation device, anything you want. It keeps it all right on the unit right there. And that slot that you have right up here is in case you want to store the hose right there. For whatever reason, you want to attach it onto there, you have a nice area to do it. Your LED display, you can see right there, it tells you what readings you have. This is the amount that you're inflating, and this is the preset that you have it to stop at. And I have it set to PSI, but like I said, you can select up here 3 different settings, KPA, bar, PSI, etc. So let's see, let's hook this guy up. Oh, and one other thing to mention, the hose, like I said, is quite long, and the end here is detachable. You can separate it from this, and you can attach anything else you want to it. It comes with this already pre-installed, but if you want to hook up something else, you can just unthread this right there, hook up another thing to it, and you're ready to go. So on the last video, you guys said that I didn't inflate anything long enough, so let's find out. You wanted something, you wanted a flat tire, but I don't have a flat tire. But I have pretty much something that comes equally close to a flat tire. This is a spare tire out of one of my cars, and I have never inflated that tire. So it is down to 0 PSI. I'm going to hook this puppy up right now, and I'm going to show you that it is down to 0. And we're going to inflate it up to 38, which is the preset that you just saw, and we'll see exactly how long it takes. So let me get that set up and we'll get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just hooked up the inflator to the tire, and you can see that it is at 0 PSI. That is the flattest tires I can flatten at any flattened time. So it is flat as can flatten be. So there you go. That's a flat tire right there. I have the preset set to 38 PSI, and let's see how long it takes this puppy to inflate it. I'm going to move the camera back so we can get a good shot of it, and then we'll start it up. Alright, so we have everything set up, and I put a timer right there, right next to it, so we can see exactly how long it takes to inflate this tire from 0 to 38. So let's get this guy going and time it and see how it performs. Alright guys, there you have it. It took about 4 minutes to inflate from 0 to 38, which is not too bad for a portable handheld air inflator, so it's not too bad. Alright guys, so here we are at the back of my car. This is the back tire, and as you see, I have it hooked up with the 12-volt DC adapter coming out of the car lighter. So you see it has plenty of room. I mean, look how much extra cable I have. Plenty of room to reach all the way to the back of the car with the 12-volt DC adapter. And you see the hose is really quite long. I have no trouble. And if you want to see how convenient the LED light is, since it's handheld, you can point the LED wherever it is that you need to work on. The valve stem's right there. You point it up to whatever you need to see, And it makes working at night very easy to do, very convenient if you break down out in the middle of the road somewhere. Or at home in your garage, if you need to top off your tire, there you go. You top off your tires and you're good to go. So that's convenient right there. 12-volt DC adapter, 3 meters or 9 feet long. A lot of cable to go all the way around to all your tires. Alright guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of the AstroAI 160 PSI portable tire inflator / air compressor. I think this is a really good unit for the money. It's compact and lightweight. It has the ability to be used with the included 20-volt battery or the 12-volt DC adapter. It also brings a battery bank to use with any USB device, and it works continuously without overheating. You saw how well it inflated a totally flat tire all the way up to full capacity without stopping, overheating, or vibrating itself to pieces. If you're looking for a powerful, compact air compressor, I think you should look at this guy. And if this isn't big enough for your needs, go ahead and comment down below and let me know exactly what you want next, and I'll get an even bigger tire inflator if that's what you guys really want. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.